Today I'm going to teach you how to use some of the most common functions on a Texas Instruments TI-30X 2S calculator. It is a fairly basic scientific calculator that is easy to use, so let's get started. This calculator includes all of the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Each of these operations has their own button with its corresponding symbol. Division, multiplication, subtraction, addition. After you are done entering in your operation, you press the Enter button to get the answer. Let's try a simple multiplication problem. 3 times 5. First you enter in the number 3 from the number pad. Then you enter in the multiplication symbol. And then you enter in the number 5 from the number pad. After you have all of this in, then you press the Enter button. And then you get your answer, 15. Now let's learn how to use the square root button. To use the square root button, you first press the second button, and then you press the button with the square root symbol above it. Then you will see the square root symbol and an open parentheses come up on the display. Enter in the number that you want to find the square root of, and then press the close parenthesis button and enter. And then you get your answer. Now that you have completed 2 different operations on the calculator, let's move on to another operation, exponents, or raising a number to a power. To raise a number to a power, you first type in the number that you would like to raise, or the base. Then you press the exponent button, and then you press the number you would like to raise your base to. For example, let's say you wanted to raise the number 2 to the 3rd power. First you would enter in 2, then you would press the exponent button, and then you would enter in 3. After you have this all entered in, you press the Enter button to get an answer. 8 is your answer. Since this calculator does not have a button for finding roots other than square roots, we have to enter these in a different way. Using our knowledge of mathematics, we know that the cubed root of a number is the same as that number raised to the 1/3 power, so that is how we enter it in the calculator. First enter the number that you want to raise to the 1/3 power, or find the cube root of. Let's use 8. Next, you press the exponent button, in order to make sure that you are raising the number to the whole fraction and not just the first part of the fraction, you will have to put it in parentheses. So after you have pressed the exponent button, press the open parentheses button. Then press 1. Then press the division button. Then press 3. And then press the close parenthesis button, so that your screen looks like this. Then you can press Enter and you have your answer to 8 raised to the 1/3 power, or the cubed root of 8. And our answer is 2. One of the most useful functions on this calculator is the ability to store numbers. This is especially handy if you are dealing with numbers that have a lot of decimal place digits. To use this function, when you have a number on the screen that you want to save, you just press the Store button. And then A, B, C, D, and E will show on the screen with A underlined by default. If you do not already have something saved in A that you want to save, then you can just press enter and it will save in the A variable. To retrieve this number again later, you press the memvar button, and the variable name that you saved that number to will show up on the screen.